Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Mary Ann Tisbe, 35 years old, residing at Mabalacat, Pampanga, Philippines. I have two children. First is a girl, aged 15 years old, and the second one is a boy, aged 12 years old. I'm applying as a domestic helper in Hong Kong because I want my children finish their studies until they become a professional someday. My work experience as a household helper here in Philippines is I worked for 5 years in just one employer. They are three members in the family, two adults, and one son aged 10 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, gardening, marketing, and assisting the son to study. To my prospect employer, if you hire me, I'll do my best to serve and work in your family happily, and I will stay as long as you need me. I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, honest, flexible, fast learner, and I have a strong personality. Hope to see you soon, Mom and Sir. Thank you.